Hi everyone! In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of activating your eSIM card from start to finish. To begin, open a web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer. In the search bar, type in Activate eSIM along with your provider's name. From the search results, select the official website for your UK mobile provider. Once the page loads, look for the option that says something like Activate your new SIM and tap on it. If you've recently upgraded your plan or received a replacement SIM, choose the SIM activation option. Then enter your mobile number in the required field. Next, request a verification code by selecting the option to receive a PIN. You'll get this code by text message. Enter the PIN on the website to confirm your request. After submitting the code, your eSIM activation will begin automatically. In most cases, it only takes a few minutes before your eSIM is fully active and ready to use. And that's all there is to it. Your eSIM should now be up and running. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple, step-by-step tech guides.